find the road all right?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
GPS quite easy.
Wow, GPS is very easy.
Yeah.
Directly brought us here. And this is...
Stables, got more quarters living in there at the moment.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yee.
This is Milo.
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 Alright, Milo. How are you, Milo? Wow. This is another horse. Wow. It's for your daughter to ride.
Yeah. Daughter rides this one and you'll ride that one.
Okay.
Yeah, they ride every day. Train every day.
Train every day. Wow. What a lifestyle. Goodness. You see? That's the stable. Huh? Wow. But she goes for competition.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know the truck in my workshop.
Uh-huh.
That's for them.
See, these are my vegetables. They're water troughs. They're actual feed water troughs that I
Uh-huh.
done as a
Animal
vegan.
water trough.
Yeah.
The
Oh.
animals you
Okay, I can turn the veggies down. Sunday family dinner has always been roast lamb, roast potatoes.
Yeah, so a lot of things we only recently get to understand and realize, oh, this is lamb, what we've been eating is mutton,
Oh, yeah.
and the lamb here they kill it when it's 18 months
Yeah.
and below 18 or
Below
something,
18,
right?
yeah.
Probably only.
Because they need to get the stock off their farm to have the growth for what they call the mutton or the tutus that then have their lamb. So they need to keep the numbers at a certain level for the pasture.
Mutton is an old.
I say the goat is different because sheep has got the sheep skin, right? But goat is different, it's a totally different breed.
Here.
So I explained to them, oh, it's like Chinese and Indian, it's different.
Yeah. Kumara, pumpkin, carrot, and potatoes.
This is amazing.
Oh, good. You're gonna put this over?
Yeah. Don't have it?
No.
I'll let it sit for a bit.
Let it rest.
Oh.
Yeah.
Rest.
Okay.
And then I'll cut it up and we'll serve it up.
Ooh.
Why do you rest it?